All right, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a quick and dirty alignment on the tracker. I know I said I was gonna take it into a shop and let them do it. They wanted 120 bucks. I said, I'm gonna do it myself. So you know what? What I decided to do. So, pretty quick video today. I gotta say thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for commenting. I really appreciate it. So, this should be a quick one today. So, the steering wheel, how it was crooked, I actually already fixed that. So I pulled off, there's a bolt right up there. There's another bolt back here on the steering box. I pulled those two bolts off. I drove it to where the steering wheel was, where it was supposed to be straight. It was off, but anyway, drove it into the garage there, popped those two bolts out, turned it to where the steering wheel's straight, and then put it all back in. So steering wheel straight now. I checked my toe. I'm an 1.25 inches towed out, so it's a little off. Wondering why it was driving so funny. We're gonna fix that today. So what I'm doing is I've got, you can see here, I've got a line on my tire, and foolish or not, I did it anyway. I actually just took a knife and I actually put a little slit right there, and I stuck the tape measure in it to be my tape measure holder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it right there. So I rolled it back, took a measurement. I took a measure of the front, rolled it backwards, took a measurement of the back. Now I'm gonna adjust it a little bit, and then I'm gonna roll it back and forth several times, and then measure it again. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's adjust it. All right, so we adjusted it a bunch, and I went too far. So I went from 55 at the front and 53 3/4 at the back to 54 1/16 at the front and 54 3/4 at the back. But we're getting closer. Between measuring and adjusting, I adjusted it and I moved the car back and forth. You guys saw that, and turned the steering wheel just to kind of try to get everything neutral again. And we're going to adjust it again, try to get about a 1/16 of an inch toe in, and then see where we're at. All right, so adjusted it a whole bunch. Went too far, went too little. It's actually interesting how much it moved between. So I adjusted it, then I got in the car and I just turned the steering wheel one way to the other way to the other. And it moved it 1/4 of an inch just turning the steering wheel. So it's important to make sure you're moving your vehicle between adjustments. Anyway, so right now I'm about 1/8 of an inch towed in. I think I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there, take it around the block a couple times, bring it back in, see where it's at, and see if my steering wheel is still straight or I have to adjust that again. So that's where we're at. So I'm tightening everything down now that I'm really close, and go for a drive. Here. All right, so we're back from the test drive. We checked our toe. We're about 1/8 of an inch towed in, which is perfect, good enough for me. I'm leaving it. Steering wheel's just that little bit off. I'm gonna change that because I want the steering wheel to be straight. And also we're gonna check our camber here. Look in here, maybe you can see it. 89.4 on that tire. The alignment bolt is maxed out, so that's all I'm gonna get out of it. Check this one here. This one's also maxed out. A little bit of a bugger to slide in through the little gap in the wheel. There it is. And stick it onto the brake rotor. Move it down to about center. And if you look at that, I'm at about, let's see, 89.5 on this side. So that's about as good as I'm gonna get with caster and camber, I know that. Because of max bolts up. Let's see. So yeah, last thing to do is to fix the steering wheel and then this thing's aligned. Is this the proper way to do it? Most likely not. Is it good enough? For me it is. So, anyway, let's fix the steering wheel. All right, we're done. So, got the steering wheel all straightened up, got that adjusted, alignment's done, we're done. Thanks for watching.